Mahayogi Pilot Baba, a soul extraordinary. Early years, 15th July, 1938. A soul sparkles in the bosom of Mother Rajtapeshwari Devi of Sasaram, Bihar. Unaware that this child would be the beacon of spiritual knowledge in years to come, Kumwar Lallan or Kapil Singh, the childhood name of Mahayogi Pilot Babaji, was born. He gracefully completed his education and obtained master's degree in organic chemistry from the Banaras Hindu University. A born patriot, the passion to serve the country and consider it above all religions, made young Kapil join Indian Air Force. He got commissioned as a fighter pilot in year 1957. Served and decorated Indian Air Force until 1972. He fought the wars of 1962, 1965, 1971. The turning point. An established fighter pilot's life chalked out something more important and challenging in the years to come, which led him meet his Guru Hari Baba. Hari Baba would often ask for 2 rupees and when he appeared before him from nowhere. The time of transformation had to happen in fighter pilot's life when during 1962 war, fighter Kapil was in action at NEFA border. His plane lost the controls and contact with the base and did not know where to land the plane. The authorities at the base had lost all the hopes of fighter Kapil's survival. At this juncture, when all hopes were gone, Hari Baba appeared to Kapil in his cockpit and guided him to land the plane. It may sound unbelievable, but revered Babaji is testimony to it. This came as a turning point in young Kapil's life and he took premature retirement from Air Force at the rank of Wing Commander. The search of self, the mystery of his Guru's appearance brought him closer to life. His quest and intense desire to unveil the mysteries of human mind, soul, made him renounce the worldly pleasures at a young age of 33. His ultimate destination being Himalayas. He traveled extensively in Himalayas for years and found Pindli Glacier as his final call for the severe penance. For 16 years his home, his life, his journey for self was within the Himalayas. Ageless masters like Mahavtar Babaji, Sarveshwaranandji, Sundar Nath Babaji poured unto him their valuable wisdom about life. However, under the able guidance of his spiritual master Hari Babaji, he discovered the sacred science of Samadhi through meditation and Kriya Yoga. Wing Commander Kapil was a transformed soul now as Somnath Giri, name given by his master. He also came to be fondly known as Pilot Baba. Pilot Babaji has lived and studied in the divine sacred place called Rajeshwari Math in Tibet. This abode is headed by the spiritual master named Mahatappa Giri. Pilot Baba has lived 16 years in the womb of the Himalayas called Nanda Devi Valley. This sacred place is the legendary abode of Goddess Parvati, wife of Lord Shiva. Goddess Parvati sleeps in the Nanda Ghat mountain and she cares for humanity at Nandako mountain. Kailash mountain, the abode of Lord Shiva, is nearby Kailash in the famous pilgrimage of millions, but its secret, those sacred places are only opened for pure souls. The divine goddess Mother Power nurtures and supports saints and sages in their tapas austerity. Pilot Baba's biography is a journey of transformation from being a pilot in the Indian Air Force to being an enlightened master of truth. Pilot Baba has become a legend of the Himalayas himself. He has experienced and performed all forms of Samadhi. Samadhi is the experience of oneness with all of life and divine creation. He has performed extreme death-defying feats such as being buried alive but surviving and thriving. Pilot Baba was taught by the great masters Mahatappa. He has lived with Maha Avatar Baba, also known as Hedya Khan Baba. Pilot Baba has lived with mysterious great masters who defy high altitudes and live miraculous lives such as Lotaria Baba, Sitaram Baba, Mohandas Baba, Sombari Baba and Paramhans Avdho Baba. Some of the places where these sages have lived are now powerful sacred temples open to the public. So many of their abodes are still secret and mysterious places of miracles. Pilot Baba has traveled 1,600 miles in 7 years through the Himalayas. He never came down below 10,000 feet. He experienced a wonderful life full of ecstasy and high energy. In communion and under the direction of all the great Himalaya legendary saints, he was able to learn and practice many miracles of these mysterious sacred sciences. Pilot Baba is ready to teach people these wondrous feats. You have to be ready to receive this transmission of energy and control. You have to have an empty mind and heart in order for this transfer to occur in you. You have to devote time and energy to practice what you are taught. Yoga is just not exercise for the body. It is a philosophy and science of how to reach your full potential as an enlightened being. Science of Samadhi, a state when person is beyond body and mind and in complete unison with the cosmos. Only a true yogi like revered Mahayogi Pilot Babaji can be in complete unison with the 5 elements of the body and through them experiment various kinds of Samadhi. I.e. Bhumagad Samadhi or underground Samadhi, a state when a yogi is in complete unison with the earth element both within and outside the body. Samadhi in airtight glass chamber. Jal Samadhi or Samadhi in water. Babaji has demonstrated all such samadhis more than 100 times in India, as also many a times abroad, particularly in Japan. Baba is a Mahayogi who has made his own life an adventure, an inquiry into the nature of things as they are and has not surrendered to conventions of society. He has always thought of the journey ahead and never looked back to what is behind. Tirelessly he keeps traveling around the globe with the message of oneness through the science of meditation and samadhi. His guidance is there for one and all. He does not believe in binding masses with him but guides them to be an individual, who are competent and have been bestowed with knowledge and ability to set on the journey of self-exploration. The different paths in yoga are for your good health and peaceful mind. They contain a great science for you, the healing of your mind, body and soul. They importantly give you a way to master your mind and master the universal forces. Yoga has a key of your inner world. Yoga is a key of your inner world. Yoga is a science of prevailing the mystery of your inner worlds. It is prevailing the mystery of the Himalayas. If you can really practice yoga not the way the world is teaching you but of all 5 elements natural power is happening, you have to practice that yoga. How earth is static and tolerating and is giving with the life. How the water is floating all over the universe to make living alive easy in this world. How the fire is transferring and transcending the energy all over the universe. How the gravitation of space is holding you to move, make you to create the way. Let the whole world move. You have to practice this yoga through your body, through your mind, through your consciousness. If you are not doing yoga without awareness, then you cannot keep healthy your body, healthy your mind, will not have a purification of your body and mind. To ascend from one by one from the gravitation of tamas, rajas and sattva to become a pure sattva of yourself, then enlightenment can come, realization comes, samadhi come to yourself if you are pure, if you have walked through the purity of your tamas, rajas and sattva. These attributes are holding all the universe and you are also held by the attributes of Prakriti. Prakriti is evoluting to create this wonderful world, not a Purusha, not a consciousness. Consciousness is freedoms. Yoga practice to liberate you, realize you, enlighten you. It is a meditation of separating yourself from all the abandonment, from all the suffering, and from all the attachment of this worldly things. How to become yourself, how to liberate yourself, yoga can bring. So, you are going to start new way of science of yoga which can help you to grow as a better human being.